Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Let me put the lights on purple right now. But yeah, as you guys can see, I have a bunch of lights on my dash. My car still cannot go in Sport Plus. When I'm in park or neutral, when the car's not rolling, it can go in Sport Plus. Let me just give y'all some revs right now. Or actually, you know what? I got this mic. This is what I've been using with my phone. And I'm just gonna put this one somewhere in the back of the car just for revving it. I won't leave it there the whole time. It is magnetic, so I can just stick it somewhere like right there just to get you guys some revs. So there's one on my shirt right here and another one right there. It's actually very cool how it works. And let me just put it on the intake real quick. I think that would be pretty cool. Imagine for a video, yo, that's actually a sick video idea. But also let me give you guys a quick walk around of the car. I am dressed pretty whack right now. I was just home. I was hella bored. I needed to get out of the house. I'm going on a little drive. I ain't got nothing special on. But yeah, this is my 2016 340i Stage 2 MHD Stage 3 XHP transmission tune. I need a car wash. Like I mentioned, the car cannot go in Sport Plus right now while I'm driving. I will be fixing that tomorrow. There's actually a little sensor right here. I forgot what it's called. But I changed it before. I did not get the original one. I think I need the OEM BMW one for it to work. I have the right one coming in tomorrow. And then hopefully my car is good and I can go in Sport Plus. Actually give you guys some proper POVs. But let me just put this thing on my intake just when I'm revving it. Just so y'all can hear the intake. Because I feel like you guys never actually hear the intake as much as I do. Let me rev it with the mic by the intake. Damn, that probably sounds crazy. I can't wait to edit this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Enough of me talking. But if you guys do remember, when I just bought my 340i, I'll put a clip somewhere. I was actually in the same exact spot. So this a little before and after. Guys, a quick walk around of the car. Looks crazy, bro. I swear it's the perfect car from every angle. This car just does not disappoint. Currently only running one mic, so it's only this one on my shirt. Oh, I think she might have been taking a picture of my car. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just full of myself. But it is cool. I like when people take pictures of my car. I cannot drive in Sport Plus. I can put it in like manual mode so I can change the gears. It is very, very slow. But just because my car is pretty much stuck in limp mode. And yeah, it's just hella slow. I was like, you know what? Just in case I buy the sensor tomorrow. Just in case the sensor comes tomorrow and the car still isn't working, because the last sensor I got, I thought it was going to be working after that. If it's not working, at least I made a POV for y'all today. Try my best to make it entertaining. I'll do less talking though and let y'all just enjoy the car. Damn, I haven't made a POV in a minute. This video is probably going to do better than all my other recent videos because you guys just love the POVs, even though I can't go in Sport Plus. Let me just try to show y'all. Look, I'm trying to downshift right now. See, it says M2. It switches to M2 when I press it, but the gear doesn't actually change. And that's just because I'm stuck in limp mode. So it doesn't allow me to downshift any lower than third gear myself. And yeah, I guess I'll just have to work with it for now. Let me see. Let me try to make it pop. I have my pops set at a certain RPM. Even my shifts aren't as aggressive. That sound just now is my Overrun Braap. That's not even a shift. You guys know the sound my shifts usually make. Right now it's not even doing that. It does it sometimes, but anti-lag still works. So that's somewhat fun. I know what I'm gonna do. Since I can control the gear in third gear, I'm gonna go in third gear right here and try to give y'all an anti-lag pull or something fast, something fun. Try to show y'all. This is my second phone because I'm recording on my main phone, but Yeah, I can change the ambient lighting on the go. I did this install myself. Just a quick little plug to myself. If y'all are from Ottawa or Gatineau and you guys want to get ambient lighting done stars, I did do this myself and it is a service I provide. So feel free to hit me up on Instagram. And if y'all want to get any parts for your BMW front lip or not even just BMW, feel free to check out my website, thecarstoryshop.com. Maybe I could give you guys that anti-lock pull right now. Yeah, that is a good pull. Y'all see how long I had to make the boost build? Had to start in third gear. That's why I had to hold the boost for that long. Man, this bridge is fire. Let's see if I can give y'all one more. Keep in mind, I have not driven this car properly in like, I want to say at least a month. I have not driven this car properly. Like, I'm talking about Sport Plus, shifting, actually pushing the car in like a month. The car's just been down. I've just been fixing all the issues. Don't get me wrong, a V58 is not unreliable. It's just a sensor that was broken and it was super hard to find the replacement one. Winter is done pretty much, I want to say, so I'm hoping the car will be done soon. I can actually enjoy it while the temperature is good, because if y'all are from Canada, you guys know what the weather is like. It snows like more than half the year. That's another Beamer right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see which one it is. I think it's a 340i. Oh nah, I'm wrong. Damn, it's oh shit, I should go this way. It's a 320i, I think. I don't even know where I'm going. Should I turn here? But nah, I'm chilling. I thought I missed my turn for a little bit. It's a 320i. For some reason, I thought it was a 340. Nice little Subi. I've been seeing so much nice cars out again. And I actually think it's crazy how much people don't daily their project cars or like their build cars. You guys know what I mean, but hey, I daily this thing. And when I tell people I daily it, people think I'm crazy. They're like, really, you drive this through winter? I'm like, yeah bro, like xDrive and winter, it's not a problem. But if I'm being honest, it does hurt having to drive my car in the snow, watching it stay dirty all the time. But yeah, I daily my car. If I could afford a daily, well, I could afford a daily, to be honest, like a cheap daily, but I currently only have one parking spot where I live. So even if I wanted to, I might get a daily, or I might just daily this for the time. I don't know, maybe if I get an M car sometime. Yeah, I feel like I talk so much, I get off track very easily. Hopefully you guys like the yapping. I just have to yap because I cannot do much. You guys see how empty everything is. Just give y'all a quick little walk around again. I don't know why, I just feel like it. Maybe take a thumbnail. Oh yo, my card actually looks sick in front of the Food Basics. Let me just bring it over there real quick. I also changed some things in like Beamer code or whatever. I bought the full version so I can like make it so my car doesn't beep when I don't got my seatbelt on, stuff like that. Just some little touches, little personal touches, make the car feel like mine even more. And I'm gonna take a thumbnail. Maybe I'll use this as a thumbnail, or maybe for another video. I'll catch y'all again in the next one.